Summer lawn maintenance can mean long hours of hot, demanding work. And we understand that anything which saves a little time, reduces stress, or enhances operator comfort can make all the difference when getting the job done. That's why the Walker Mower has been designed from the ground up to make summer mowing fast and easy. With numerous add-ons and features focused on productivity, Walker Mowers can help those long days of summer feel like a breeze. When cutting grass, how you deal with clippings can make a big impact on your day. With numerous grass handling system add-ons available, the Walker Mower can make dealing with clippings much easier. Ranging from fully automatic solutions like the Walker High Dump or Walker Power Dump, to manual dumping options like the Walker Dump Bins or Dump Bags, the Walker helps reduce the fatigue and stress of dealing with grass clippings. Another option is to recycle grass clippings back into the soil through healthy mulching or discharging. With Walker's interchangeable deck feature, you can have the best of both worlds. Collect clippings in spring or fall and quickly switch out to mulching or discharging grass through the long summer months. With deck changes taking just a few minutes, the Walker Mower adjusts to your needs no matter the season. When it comes to long days on the mower, productivity begins with operator comfort. The Walker Mower is designed to take ergonomics and positioning into account. With add-ons like comfort seats, suspension seats, armrests, and adjustable footrests, the Walker Mower is designed to ensure the time spent mowing is as comfortable as possible. Get your summer mowing season started off right with an upgrade for your Walker Mower, or experience the versatile zero-turn Walker Mower for the first time. Contact your local Walker dealer or visit walker.com.